Grabe yung mga bilihin ngayon, no? Sobrang bilis tumaas. Yung oil, groceries, bigas, even yung mga simple gastusin sa Pilipinas. Ang sakit na sa bulsa. It's a global crisis, you know? At kung nagre-rely ka lang sa 9 to 5 or sa isang income stream, mahihirapan ka talaga makasabay. That's why I always talk about leverage. Habang nandito ako, lalakad, clearing my head, enjoying the view, something else is working for me. Hindi kailangang laging grind and hustle hanggang sa ma-burnout ka. There's a better way to play the game. So gusto ko rin din palang i-shoutout yung isa nating subscriber na nag-comment sa isa nating video dito. Shopper's Choice 3844. Shoutout sa'yo. Salamat sa comment. Sabi nga, coach, di ba may lifestyle called Algo 6 ka na standard. Pwede rin gawa ng content yun. Thank you. So, again, thank you sa bibigyan ng idea sa akin. So, this content is for you. So guys, if you want to ask me something, just comment below at sisikapin ko na masagot lahat ng mga tanong ko. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So, paano? Shopper Shots is for you.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey guys, what's up?
Nico Mendoza po.
Nico Mendoza po.
Nico Mendoza po.
Nico Mendoza po. Your Lifestyle Trader! Let me show you the heart of my lifestyle called Algos. The lifestyle called Algo 6. Ito yung conservative type ng mga algo ko. Ang vision ko dito is not to get rich overnight. Ginawa ko to for peace of mind. Gusto ko yung mahimbing ako nakakatulog habang yung system ko patuloy na tumatrabaho at hinahandle yung volatility ng market. Ito, ipapakita ko sa iyo yung performance ng ating lifestyle called Algo 6 standard. For the record, ito makikita mo, binire-record ko yung screen ko, makikita mo dito, ang date ay March 31. Last day of the month. And right now, 5:37 PM dito sa Rome, Italy. Sa Pilipinas, 11:37 PM na. So, actually, yung algo naka-off na. Lahat ng algo naka-turn off na. Para lahat ng users ng mga algo ay mahimbing natutulog at walang iniisip na running trades. So today, kung makikita mo dito, lahat ng trades na to ay trade ng ating lifestyle called Algo 6, LGA6. Okay? Ang nag-profit siya today ng $173.8 US. Imagine mo yun. Wala kang ginawa, buong araw, meron kang $173 US na passive income from lifestyle called Algo 6. So balik tayo sa history, tignan natin yung performance dito. Custom period, let's say tignan natin yung performance ng January 1, 2026 hanggang January 31. Basically, so first month of 2026, tignan natin yung performance. Kumita tayo dito ng $1,958 US. So that's almost 10% ng kapital. Next, tignan natin yung performance ng February. Ayan. Yun. $3,012 US. So, same no, palagi mo tatandaan na there's no fixed income, walang guarantee na profit dito sa trading. Gaya ng algo natin, di ba makikita mo dito na ang profit niya ay paiba-iba. Nung January, ang profit niya ay almost $2,000 US. Pero February, pumalo ng $3,000 US. Partida, 28 days lang yung February. Yung January, mas maraming araw. At ngayon, tingnan naman natin ngayong March. Ayos. Ito yung March 31. Yan. Total profit natin ngayong March is $3,672 US. 60 pesos na ang US dollar ngayon. That's around 200,000 plus. Actually, check natin. Look at this. $3,672 US is equivalent to 223,285 pesos. Grabe yung palitan, 60 pesos. 60.81, konting kembot na lang 61 na. So imagine this, lalong tumaas yung value ng ating profit. And the best part, hindi ako yung nag-trade nito, si Algo. Wala akong pinindot, wala akong ginalaw, wala akong inisip, wala akong inanalyze, wala akong ginawa. Pero meron akong 223,000 pesos in 1 month passive income. So kung susumahin natin yung profit from January hanggang today, March 31, kumita tayo ng $8,644 in 3 months, first quarter of the year. Pag kinonvert mo yan ngayon, 525,000 pesos na wala kang ginagawa. Pero di kita hinahay pa. I mean, kita mo naman, actual performance na ito. Hindi siya pare-parehas buwan-buwan. Pwedeng mas mataas, pwedeng mas mababa. And of course, pwede ring loss. Nagkataon lang na hindi mo siya naloloss. So this month, for the month of March, actually, last weekends ay winidraw ko na yung $3,500. Kasi may paggagamitan ako. Paggagamitin ko yung funds na yan, pang travel namin ng pamilya ko. So as you can see, steady growth lang siya. Consistent, low drawdown actually, and very calculated risk. Ang Algo 6, hindi siya yung aggressive na nakaka-high blood. Algo 6 is about longevity. Dahil sa trading, the one who stays in the game the longest, siya yung nagwawagi talaga. And because of that performance, nakita mo naman, winidraw ko yung profit ng March natin. Kasi nga, gagamitin natin yan pang travel ko with my family. Sabi ko nga sa libro ko, Traded My Way to Freedom. Kung wala kang copy niyan, kumuha ka na. Sabi ko doon, the goal is to live life. Hindi yung lagi ka lang nakabantay sa chart. And this is the ultimate benefit of having an Algo, time freedom. Habang nag-explore at nag-enjoy kami sa iba't ibang view na pupuntahan namin, yung system na meron ako, yung Algo, patuloy na umaandar at gumagawa ng pera sa background.
Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang mga benefits ng pagkakaroon ng lifestyle called Algo. Are you ready, Bella?
Yes!
Let's go! Woohoo!
Number 1, nababawasan ang emotion. Isa sa pinakamalaking kalaban ng traders ay hindi naman yung market, kundi yung sarili nila. FOMO, overtrading, revenge trading, takot, greed, iyan ang madalas sumisira ng diskarte ng trader. Kapag may algo ka, may system kang sinusunod, it can help reduce impulsive decisions. Pero hindi ibig sabihin ay mawawala na lahat ng risk. Pero nababawasan yung human error na galing sa emotions. Number 2, structure. Ang algo may rules. Hindi siya gumigising na moody. Hindi siya pumapasok sa trade dahil bored siya. At hindi rin siya magdo-double down dahil gustong bumawi. And that's powerful because consistency starts with structure. Number 3, time efficiency. Hindi lahat ng tao kayang tutukan ng charts buong araw. May business ka, may pamilya ka, may trabaho ka, may ibang priorities ka. Ang isang maayos na algo can help you stay active in the market without requiring your full attention every single minute. Number 4, lifestyle flexibility. Ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking rason kung bakit gustong-gusto ko ang systems ng algo. Because they support the kind of life na hindi ka laging nakakulong sa monitor. Pwede kang bumiyahe, pwede kang mag-spend time with your family, pwede kang gumawa ng content, pwede kang mabuhay. Kasi ang tunay na goal is not just to make money from trading. It's to build a life na hindi mo kailangang takasan.
Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung mga risk na meron kapag gumamit ka ng algo para hindi lang tayo nagmumukhang hype dito.
Number 1, an algo is not a magic machine. Hindi dahil naka-automated yan, ay ibig sabihin panalo lagi. Maling mindset yan. The market changes. conditions change, volatility changes, at may panahon talaga na pwedeng matalo ang system. Number 2, drawdown is real. Kahit conservative pa yan, may losing days yan, losing trades at minsan losing streaks pa. Kung papasok ka sa algo na ang expectation mo ay straight wins lang, madidisappoint ka talaga. Number 3, maraming tao pumapasok sa algo with the wrong capital and wrong expectations. Minsan undercapitalized, minsan gusto sobrang laki agad ng kita kahit maliit ang account, minsan naman hindi tanggap na may risk. And that's dangerous because the biggest risk is not always the algo itself. Sometimes, it's the person using it without understanding what they're doing. Number 4, kahit may algo ka, responsibility mo pa rin ang account mo. You still need to understand risk. You still need to understand position sizing. You still need to understand that this is trading. Automation does not remove risk. It only automates the execution of a strategy. So please, huwag mong tignan ang algo as shortcut sa success. Tignan mo siya as a tool. And like any tool, pwede kang matulungan pero pwede ka ring mapahamak if you use it the wrong way. This is why I always say, smart risk over hype. Ang daming tao gusto ng resulta pero ayaw intindihin ang risk. Ang daming tao gusto ng lifestyle pero ayaw pag-aralan ng system behind it. For me, a conservative algo represents a different mindset. Hindi yung mindset na sana yumaman agad, kundi yung mindset na gusto kong bumuo ng mas maayos, mas sustainable, mas realistic na setup. Kasi sa totoo lang, mas okay na yung dahan-dahan pero may direksyon kesa mabilis nga pero wasak naman. So if there's one thing I want you to get from this vlog, it's this. Ang conservative algo is not for people who want fantasy. It's for people who want structure. It's for people na gusto ng system, gusto ng extra opportunity, gusto ng mas flexible na lifestyle, pero marunong rumispeto sa risk. Yes, may benefits. Yes, may potential. But yes, may risk din. At dapat alam mo yan from the start. Because real trading is not about pretending there's no danger. Real trading is about understanding the danger and still moving with strategy. In a world na pataas ng pataas ang presyo, you need more than hard work. You need systems. You need skills. You need smart risk. And for me, that's what being a lifestyle trader is all about. O siya guys, kung nag-enjoy ka sa vlog na to, i-comment mo sa baba kung ano yung next topic na gusto mong pag-usapan natin. And if gusto mong malaman yung ibang detalye about sa mga algo ko, message me or check the details below dyan sa description box at sa pinned comments. Again, this is Nico Mendoza, your lifestyle trader. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao!